This is a joystick equipped boat. Got twin supercharged 6-cylinder Verados on it. I believe they're 400 horse each on this. It might be 350s. There's the joystick controller. So if you spin it, one engine goes forward, one engine goes backwards, and it gives you indication of the direction your boat's going to spin. You go right, it'll go the other way. If you just go left with the joystick, the motors will split. One will go in forward, one will go reverse, and the boat will actually drive sideways. And if you rotate the knob, you can get it to go any direction you want. The light will follow whatever direction you go. You can go reverse, sideways, full forward, to the right. It's a system you got to use to appreciate how cool it is. And it has what they call a skyhook, which is this button here. It's like a virtual anchor. You push that and the GPS in the boat will hold it in position. So the boat will steer and shift as necessary to hold the boat stationary. It's a cool system.